Good evening, everybody. This is NCP. Hey, hope everybody's doing well. I've been very, very busy. Had to build a little workbench here. Actually, this is all reclaimed. Part of this was my old bed that you saw that was had storage under it. That's where part of this came from. But like I said, I've been trying to organize stuff here and trying to get my electronics bench set up. I'm in a bad spot. You know, the AC's right above it, kinda, and so I figured I could do this area sitting down. And I was gonna do it with a reloading bench as well, but it was shorter than I thought, and I said I just went with it. Heck with it. I'll build a reloading bench later. I'm not gonna use that one, which I originally used there, but like I said, I got a lot of stuff to do. I've got all these components coming in, trying to sort all this stuff. Just, you know, a lot of stuff those are from the Radio Shack haul when they went out of business. Got some really good deals on a lot of stuff, and there's still a lot of it's unsorted. Some sorted. I mean, like I got some of the RF connectors sorted out here, but you know, some things I really don't. To like, you know, a couple switches here and there. You know, I don't know. I just gotta sort it all out. And there's a lot more down there. You know, stuff I've ordered, stuff's coming in. I've got these kits I haven't even built yet. This is an oscilloscope case for an oscilloscope. This one is I don't know what that is. Maybe a component checker or something. I don't remember. I'll have to look at my orders. This is an amplifier for QRP radio. It's a 45 watt amplifier. Yeah, I don't see the Pixie. It's here somewhere. This is a signal generator for sine wave, square wave, and all that good stuff. This is an actual oscilloscope kit. Really cheap kits, but just fun kits. You know, I like doing kits, but I just haven't had the chance. So my reflow station will be here soon. I don't know. It's a hot air and soldering iron adjustable temperature. There's a variable power supply over there I just got in. Haven't even really unpacked it too much. Looked at it yet. There's low-end kits for the hobbies, you know. But like I said, there's a lot of stuff here I've got to go through and as needed. I don't even know, man. I don't know. But this is what I've been doing, is trying to get this thing organized, set up. Like I said, this is an area where I'm gonna have to set. I can't really stand up here, but for setting it's fine. That's how I'd be doing anyway, so I figured what the heck. So that's what's up with me. I've got the lighting all down here on the Alexa, so it's all smart light down here. Those are just regular lamps there. I may put a smart plug on them. I probably won't. I need to run my own circuit. Right now I'm just using whatever's down here. I think it's a 15 amp right there, which feeds the whole basement and garage area. But I'm gonna run my own 20 amp circuits all over this place when I get around to it. Good luck with that. But I will get around to it. Alright, well, excuse me, I'm tired. Alright, I got an early day tomorrow, so I'm gonna hit the sheets, but I hope everybody's having a good, safe time, and I don't know, let me know what kind of projects you guys are doing right now. I mean, repairing your own stuff, it's really, really not that hard. Generally, I can repair stuff 70 to 80% of the time by looking at it and saying, oh, well, that's bad or that's bad. Something like a capacitor is all, you know, fat or leaking or swollen, or bulging, you know, fat. You can just tell. I got a bunch of blown circuit boards somewhere. I don't know where. I got a box of them. I was going to call it a wall of tech and just going to put them all up on there. But I'll show you some bad things when I can find it. But I'll look them up when I find them, and you know, I'll show them. But that's all I want to say. This is NCP. Y'all have a great time. And you know, that's pretty much it. I'll be back in a day or two when I get this thing finished and sorted and got my reflow station. I can make some of these prepper kits, like a small Morse Code thing called the Pixie transmitter, and it's about, I think mine's 1 or 5 watts. I think I got the 1 watt one, which Morse code will break through static, and it's not that hard to learn. It's a little hard to learn by ear. I'm having a little trouble with it, but if you want to do the dis and the das, dits and das, if you just know it, you just go slow. Anybody could do it. Maybe we'll have a very oh, excuse me, a little Morse code class. I could do it, you know. I'll give you a thing you print out, and I don't know, we'll figure something out. Alright, well, I gotta hit the sheets. Have a good one, everybody. Sun Kind Pepper out.